Hello students, now I am going to continue the chapter probability of standard 12, exercise 7.2, question number 4. So find k if the following function represents a PDF of random variable x. Example given is the function is, that is f of x is k of x for x is less than 2 and greater than 0, otherwise it is 0. Then we have to find out the probability of x less than 3 by 2 and greater than 1 by 4. And the second example from the same question, that is the function given is kx into bracket 1 minus x for x is less than 1 and greater than 0, otherwise this function is 0. And we have to find out the probability where x is less than half and probability of x less than half and greater than 1 by 4. So two examples are given, out of which I am going to solve this second example. So the second one, that is the given function is PDF, since we are given that is given function represents a PDF. PDF means it is the function is greater than equals to 0 and integration of f of x from minus infinity to infinity is 1. So these are the conditions for a function to be a PDF. So see here, just we have to split this integration, that is minus, first see the number line. So the middle is 0 and the left side numbers are minus, so it is minus infinity last up to infinity. After that on the right side it is 1 and last up to infinity, positive infinity. So here we have to separate this infinity, that is two limits, like this one, that is minus infinity to 0, like this one, then 0 to 1 and then 1 to infinity. So here minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1 and 1 to infinity. Since these 0 common zeros here, again the common one is here, so the final will be, it is minus infinity to infinity, like this one. So when we separate these limits, we have to write down this function as it is, and you are given that is, it is, since it is a PDF, the answer is 1. So the function f of x for this value, that is x is less than equals to less than 1 and greater than 0, for this function for this limit the function exists, otherwise the value of this function is 0. So it is, we have to write down 0 since the limit is minus infinity to infinity. Here also for 1 to infinity we have to write down 0. Only for 0 to 1, that is here we are given in your example, we have to write down the function. So it is 1 and the given function is kx into 1 minus x. So this is in your example. So now we have to continue this, that is only we have to continue this one. So we are taking the k constant outside the integration from 0 to 1. So we multiply this x to this bracket, that is x minus x square dx is equals to 1. Again we have to open this. So for opening the integration, you know the formula, that is integration of x raised to n dx is equals to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this is the formula I used here. So for the integration of x, since the power is 1, using this formula, that is integration of x raised to n, the answer is x raised to n plus 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 2. Similar for x square, that is x cube upon 3. And we have to put down the square bracket and the limits are as it is. So this is upper limit and this is lower limit. To open this, now we have to put down these limits here, that is upper limit in each the value of x in each x in the position of x, upper limit minus lower limit. So k is as it. First see this term, that is see this bracket. First we have to put down the value 1, that is upper limit, in the place of x, that is 1 square, that is 1 upon 2, and this term, that is 1 cube, that is 1 upon 3 for one time, and minus again same value I have to put for the lower limit. So here we get the 0. So this is equals to 1. Now we solve this, that is taking the LCM, we get here 6 and this total part is 0. So k into 1 by 6, the answer is 1. So hence we get here the value of k as a 6. So the value of k is 6. Now we have to find out the probability where x is less than half, and for this value. Now first one, that is probability where x is less than half. So we have to write down the integration, that is minus infinity to half. So we have to start from the lower limit to upper limit. So upper limit we have given, that is half. So here we have to split again, that is minus infinity to 0 using this number line. So minus infinity to 0, again 0 to half. So this value, for this value we have to write down the value is 0, because the function having the function kx into 1 minus x having the function is this one for this value, otherwise it is 0. So here we have to write down the 0, and for this one we have to put down the function, that is kx into 1 minus x, which was given in our example. So again we have to solve this. So you know how to solve this one. Take the constant outside, multiply this by taking the integration we already solved in previous step. So x square by 2. Now we have to put, that is upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 8, that is 1 half. We have to put down here the value of x is half. So half square is 1 by 4 into 2, that is 1 by 4 upon 1 by 2. So we will get here 1 by 8, minus here the cube of half, that is 1 by 8 into the 3, that is 1 by 24, and minus the lower limit, that is here we get 0. So by solving this we get k into 2 by 24 that is k 6. We have to put down the value of 6 instead of k, because we already find out the value of k, upon into 1 by 12. So by solving this we will get 0.5. Now the second one, probability we have to find out, that is x is less than half and greater than 1 by 4. So here we have to put down the 1 by 4, and this one is a half for f of x. Now we have to put down the value of the function. So kx into 1 minus x is our function. So just take k outside. The similar process here we have to first solve. The value of k is 6. Again we find out the integration of these two terms. Upper limit is half and the lower limit is 1 by 4. So again we have to choose, that is upper limit minus lower limit. So first we have to put down, so this whole bracket, for this whole bracket we have to put first upper limit minus the whole bracket, we have to put down 1 by 4. So first one we have to put down 1 by 2. So x square, so 1 by 2 square will get 1 by 8 minus 1 by 24, minus again in the same bracket we have to put down the value 1 by 4. So here we get 1 by 32 minus 1 by 192. So here by taking LCM we get 2 by 24. Here also by taking LCM we get 5 upon 192. Check it properly. And then 6 by taking the again LCM we get here 11 by 192. So finally we get 11 upon 32. So my answer is 0.34375. Now the next example, that is example number 6, question number 6. So suppose the random variable x is equals to waiting time in minutes for a bus, and its PDF is given by f of x is equals to 1 upon 5, where x is less than equals to 5 and greater than equals to 0, otherwise the value of this function is 0. We have to read the example like this one. So we have to find out the probability, that is waiting time is between 1 and 3 minutes and the waiting time is more than 4 minutes. So these are the two possibilities we are asked in our example. Now see, the function given is 1 upon 5 for the condition, that is x is less than equals to 5 and greater than equals to 0, otherwise the answer is 0. So we have to first find out the waiting time in between 1 and 3 minutes, that is the x is less than 3 and greater than 1. So we have to find out the probability of the random variable x where it is less than 3 and greater than 1. So we have to find out the waiting time in between 1 and 3 minutes, means it should be less than 3 and greater than 1. So here we are write down like this one again, from 1 to 3 the function given is 1 upon 5. Here we directly write that is the lower limit is 1 and upper limit is 3 f of x dx. So the given function you have given in the example is 1 upon 5, so we have to put down this. So since it is a constant, so take it outside. Here we get 1 dx and the integration of 1 is x. So 1 upon 5, upper limit that is 3 and the lower limit is 1. Again upper limit minus lower limit, so 3 minus 1, so you get 2 upon 5. So this is the answer of this part. And the second question we are asking, that is waiting time more than 4 minutes. Means we have asked that is the probability of x which is greater than 4. More than 4 means we have to write down like this one. So for greater than 4 means it is up to infinity, so 4 to infinity. So function we have to ask, that is again we have to split this one like this one, that is 4 to 5 and 5 to infinity. So f of x dx, so just we have to write down the f of x. After that we have to put down the value, that is from 4 to 5 1 by 5 dx, and for this one the function the having value 0. It is only 1 upon 5 when the condition is like this one. So here we have to write down 0. So again we have to take the constant outside, and 1 dx having the integration x, and upper limit is 5, lower limit is 4. So again upper limit minus lower limit, 5 minus 4, so we will get here 1 by 5. Next, the question number 7. So suppose the error involved in making a certain measurement in the continuous random variable x with PDF. So the function given is k into bracket 4 minus x square, where x is less than equals to 2 and greater than equals to minus 2, otherwise the value is 0. Just I change the structure of the example. We have to write down like this way. So we have to find out the value of or we have to find out the probability where x is greater than 0, and the second one, that is probability where x is less than 1 and greater than minus 1. So since the given function is a PDF, so in your example you are given that is it is a PDF. So this function follows this condition, satisfies this condition, that is f of x from minus infinity to infinity, the value of this function is 1. So how to write this? So using the number line you have to write down, that is minus infinity to minus 2, again minus 2 to 2 and 2 to infinity. So see just a number line here. So in the number line we write like this one, that is minus infinity is here, so the center we have shown that is 0. So here the number is minus 2, here will be the minus 1, again here is 1 2 and here plus infinity. So we have to write down like this way. So minus infinity to minus 2, see here again minus 2 to 2 and then 2 to infinity. So see the numbers given in our example, we have to choose this one. So for this the value of the function is 0 because we are already given the for this condition the function having this value, otherwise it is 0. So here we have to write down 0. For this one it is also 0, and only for this condition when x ranges between minus 2 to 2 the function having the value, that is k into 4 minus x square, so is equals to 1. Again take the k outside, 4 minus x square, we have to take the integration of this one. So 4 is a constant, so we have to take it outside, remaining is 1. Here we have to just split this step, that is integration of 4 dx and minus integration of x square dx. Just I take the combined part of this one. First we have to split up this one. So for this 4 take it outside and 1 dx, so here we get 4x, and for this x square, so we have to choose the formula, that is x raised to n. So x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, so we get here x cube upon 3. Again the limits are as it is, that is 2 and minus 2 is equals to 1. So here we have to put down again upper limit minus lower limit. So 4 2s are 8 minus again the 2 cube, that is 8 by 3 minus, now we have to put down this, that is minus 8 in between these two the sign is minus, so minus 8 plus, again here we have to take the cube of this, so it will become minus 8 and minus minus plus 8. So by solving this we will get 16 by 3, 16 by 3 is equals to 1. So finally we get that is k is equals to 32 upon 3, that is 1, and so the value of k is 3 by 32. Now we have to find out the first one. Here in this part we just find the value of k. Now we have to solve the probability, or we have to find out the probability, that is x is greater than 0. So from 0 to positive infinity f of x dx. So 0 to 2. Now see here, 0 to positive infinity, in between these three is there are just so many numbers, out of which in our example it is given that is 2. So we have to write down like this one, that is from 0 to 2 and 2 to infinity. And for this one the value of the function is 0, and for these limits the value of the function is k into 4 minus x square. Again take k outside, find out the integration which we already solved in previous example. Since the value of k is 3 by 32, we just find it here. We have to put down this value here, and again upper limit minus lower limit हमें मिलेगा half. And the second part of this example, that is we have to find out the probability where x is less than 1 and greater than minus 1. So I will write like this one, that is minus 1 to 1 f of x dx. The value of the function is k into bracket 4 minus x square dx. So take the k outside, that is it is constant, and now k is as it is. The integration of 4 is 4x minus x cube by 3, integration of this part, upper limit and lower limit. So k in bracket 4 minus 1 by 3, just putting upper limit minus lower limit, 3 by 32, 11 by 30, 11 by 3 minus, now it becomes minus minus plus 11 by 3, and finally we get that is 3 by 32 in bracket 11 by 3 plus 11 by 3. So 3 by 32 into 22 by 3. So by reducing this we will get here 11 by 16. So similarly we have to solve the remaining examples. So this is the end of this chapter. In next lecture we will see the new chapter. Thank you.